slime with two Elmer's glue. One is glue and one is glitter glue, and I will put half of this glue and half of this glitter glue. I will tell you the ingredients I have. I have this mini cup to put water and like activator, and as I said, two glues and the shaving foam, which I am thinking about if to put or not to put, and baking soda and renew and two coloring. And did I say this or not? But I think I didn't say water, so water. And the last thing is this case to make a slime. Okay, so I'm back with another ingredient, like it's a really important ingredient, which is this chopsticks. And if I didn't bring this, I would have to make the slime with only my hands, so I brought these two chopsticks. So anyways, let's start. First, I will have this case to put glue. I will put it really looks like milk. And then I'll put half of this glitter glue. Okay. It's my first time making a slime with these two glues, so I don't know what this will feel like. I hope it will feel good. Okay, so let's wait for this to drop. Okay, and I think we're done putting all the glue in. Okay, so it's now turning like in a lighter green because I have white glue. I really like this color. I like color mixed with white. I thought I was done mixing in the top, but I need to mix these parts too. This is not a slime right now because I only put glue in it. Now let's put some water in it. Okay, I put water. It looks like kind of an ice cream, a melon ice cream. I like that ice cream, it's really good. It tastes like melon, and this is this glue and water mixture. This color looks really similar as the ice cream. Okay, so I guess I'm done with mixing the water and glue now. And hard to mix, but I guess I can put a little more glue in. I should have put more glue in the first place. I didn't put really half of this glue. And I'll put more glue. I really hope this was actually clear, but I can see the amount of glue, so I put really little of this glue. Okay, more milk going on. Okay, so I put more milk. I mean, it's not milk, but it looks like milk, so I call it a milk glue. And more mixing. And I think you can see it like barely, but I have a sparkle in it because I put glitter glue. And I think I can put some more water in it. Okay, that mini cup just went down, but it's okay. Now I'll get that. It's there. Oh, okay, so I really like glitter, so I will put some more glitter glue in it. glitter glue. Okay, I'll just put it like this. Okay, so more glitter glue is going down in this mixture. And I like glitter. So, wow, now you can see that there is a lot of amount of glitter now, which I like. Okay, so I think we've got this mixed all up. So now I will put activator, which I will make right now. So I will put like 2 small pinches of soda. Okay. And then I will put this renew into 15 milliliter, which is here. Can you see it? Okay, so I'll put renew into here. Okay, so I made the activator now, and I will use a different chopstick because this is all gluey to make an activator. Okay, so I think I'm done with making an activator. Now I will pour a little amount, like 5 milliliter. Okay, I think I put more than 5 milliliter, but it's okay. I think it's getting together like a slime. Okay, so now it's getting really together, and it's getting really like a slime. See, it's getting like a slime like this. Okay, so now let's mix more. Oh, and I was thinking about putting this shaving foam, and I think I'm going to put this shaving foam into this mixture. Sorry for that sound. That sound was really loud. This slime is going to be a fluffy slime because I put shaving foam. Wow, it's getting really together after I put shaving foam. Oh, I think this will feel good. I mean, feel good, now won't feel good, it will feel good. Now it kind of looks really like a melon ice cream. Okay, I'll put some more activator, just a little bit, just to make sure that it really gets together. Now it's really getting together, and let's touch a little bit. It's getting really in my hands, but it's not really like water. I think I'll have to mix some more. Okay, more activator. I'll put this all in. Okay, so let's mix this. Oh, this is really hurting my arms. And see, it's like getting out from this case, so let's pour this and mix it with my hands now. What? Okay, wait, let's get this out of this chopstick. Okay, now it's not really getting much into my hands anymore, but it's still getting on my hands, so. Okay, so now this is a large amount of slime. Okay. Let's make this not get sticky, but it's sticky. Ah! Oh no, it's getting on my hands. I need to ask my... I need some help. Can you put renew here? Okay, so it's better than before because I put renew. Okay, let's get this off of my hands. Okay. I don't think my hand is okay. Making my slime. It feels really good. It feels really fluffy. And I think I'm not going to use these color. And I will just do this greenish instead. Okay, it's now less sticky and it gets only a little bit of the amount gets on my hands. So let's put this on put the slime on my hands into this slime. Okay, so let's see this slime now. Okay, in 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now this is the end of making the slime with the Elmers, 2 Elmers glues. My video was making a fluffy slime with 2 Elmer's glue, and it feels so good. And I hope to see you guys in another fun video. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the like button below. And if you like this video, comment down below too. So bye, and see you in another video.